Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Bull Bay. Now, as you know, a super highway is being built between Kingston or Harborview and Port Antonio. So this section of Bull Bay now will not be a part of the highway. From Harborview to where the video started, that section will be a part of the highway. Those 2 lanes will be turned into 4 lanes. And as you know, okay, we're entering St. Thomas now. But where the video started to where we get to the Suncoast Adventure Park, this section will not be a part of the highway. A road has been built from 11 miles Bull Bay to the Suncoast Adventure Park to bypass this section of the highway. So you know what that means for this section? They're going to see a drastic drop in traffic. Unfortunately, it's one of the side effects when you have major highways being built. It happened when the North Coast Highway was being built to the people in Fatespen. Fatespen is now a ghost town because the traffic is not there. The traffic is on the highway. Unfortunately, it's going to happen to this area as well because the highway is a free road. You don't have to pay to use the highway. So nobody's going to drive on this road, especially the state of the road. The road is so bad. People are going to go on the highway and this section is going to become a ghost town. Unless you specifically have some reason to come around here, people are not going to come. It's an unfortunate side effect of when you have these massive road projects and realignment of the road structure. But the highway is a necessary thing. And unfortunately, between Harborview and the Yallow's Bridge, 2 sections will be bypassed by the highway. This section where Bull Bay that we're on now, and we're in St. Thomas now. Bull Bay is in both St. Andrew and St. Thomas. This section will be bypassed, and the Grand Spend community in St. Thomas will also be bypassed. Now, the Grand Spend bypass road, the new alignment of the highway that bypasses it, it's open, it has been built. It's not finished. It's supposed to be 4 lanes, but 2 lanes are open, so the traffic no longer has to go through Grand Spend. And the people in Grand Spend have felt it. They have felt it because the traffic that used to pass through there just doesn't anymore, meaning people are not going to stop to have a drink, people are not going to stop to eat. They have started to feel the effects of it. The persons in this area here, they haven't, because the section of the highway that bypasses this road, or a new part of the highway that has been built, it's not open yet. So the traffic is still on this road. But unfortunately, it's going to happen. Now the government says they're going to see what they can try and do, but there's no way somebody's going to use. If somebody's going to send to Yallos or Morant Bay, why would you drive on this road that's so bad when you have a brand new highway with 4 lanes, dual carriageway? It's just not going to happen. And unfortunately, this road is not going to be fixed right now because persons have the highway to drive on. And remember, the highway is free. The Highway 2000, or the Edward Siaga Highway that bypasses Batespen, it's a toll road. It's a toll road. You have to pay to use that road, but people still pay because that's another reason why Fatespen is a ghost town now. We actually have videos up of Fatespen, what it looks like now, so you can take a look at those videos to see what we're talking about. And for those of you who remember Fatespen, it had like 20, 30 stalls. They sell jerk chicken. It was a major stop. People would look forward to stopping there when traveling to the North Coast. Now you have about 2 or 3 stalls or establishments that sell jerk chicken, and the place is a ghost town. Ghost town. But it happens all over the world when these highways are being built. All over the world. Now, the government has built an exit from the highway to Grand Spend, but still they are feeling the effects of of the traffic not passing through. It's a major, well, I shouldn't say major, it's a very unfortunate thing. So this is Bull Bay. Okay, we'll come out to the Sun Coast Adventure Park now. This is where the highway is going to run. So the highway, the new section of the highway comes out ends at the Sun Coast Adventure Park. So basically the bypass to where we just drove. This is where the highway rejoins the existing road. So the highway now runs along the existing road from here to Grandspend, where it then diverts onto a new road bypassing the Grandspend area and then connects back after you bypass the Grandspend area. So this now is the finished section of the highway. It's going to be 4 lanes. This is just 2 lanes on this side, 2 lanes on the other side of the barricade. But this will give you an excellent idea of what the highway is going to look like when it's finished. Just stop in here so you can get a much nicer view. And this is what the highway will look like all the way from Kingston to Port Antonio. Some sections it will be 4 lanes, some sections it will be 2 lanes. But you see, if you can drive on this road, why would you drive on that section of Bull Bay that we just drove through? I was just trying to give you guys an idea of what the new road is going to look like and why those areas are going to become ghost towns. So this is the same thing that happened in Grandspend. Why would you drive on the, well, you can divert off the highway to go into Grandspend, but why would you want to when you can drive on this road? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.